Guys, welcome to W3 Academy. So we were studying HTML and we have done HTML headings in our previous lecture. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you HTML paragraph and HTML image. So this was our document, and in this document I will add paragraph now. So for paragraph we will use p tag. So this is paragraph. Okay, let me save this, and from here I will show this. Okay, you can see that this is paragraph. Okay, and let me show you one thing from here. If I add some more spaces here and I will save this. Okay, save, and let me show this to you. Refresh this. Okay, this I added some more space here in p tag, but I can't see that those spaces in this website, in this web page. So what I have to do is, if I want to add more spaces in this paragraph, then there is another tag that called pre tag. Then let me save this and refresh this page. Okay, you can see that this is an spaces paragraph, so you can add more spaces this way, using this way. So after that I have image tag. So what I have to do is to add image in our web page. Image source and is equal to the source of my file where I have pictures. So this is the source of my picture, and add this to our document, and the name of picture here, in this case 9, and the file type JPG. You can add this image from here, 9.jpg. okay, and let me close this, and you can observe this one, that image tag has not no closing tag. So after that I will show you. Okay, this is image. I've added image in my HTML document, and if I want to add some width to my image or height, then I can use this height 300 pixel and width 300 pixels, and you can see that. Okay, and what if there is no picture on this source? So I will add the alternate text in place of this picture. Okay, then I will add some other that wrong source, so you can see the alternate text. So you can see that picture alternate text. So by this way you can add paragraph and image to your document, your HTML document. And that's all for this tutorial, and we will study HTML tables and anchor tags in our next tutorial. So stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you won't miss any updates. Thank you for watching.